Hello, good morning. Today is Thursday, and right now we are working from home. We just have cleaned the desk, as you can see, and we have removed the other laptop. And today we are vlogging with GoPro. This is our first official camera we bought for vlogging. Otherwise, we would be using Redmi Note 10 Pro and iPhone 15. So this is only for the motovlogging camera. So it is not very heavily used. So I'm using whenever I am at home. And today I think I can go for a walk in the evening. I hope so. If I don't have any work. So let's start the day. The day has already started. It's 2 in the afternoon, and we will be cleaning some things and doing some work. I need to fix this band because it is broken from this part. As you can see, I have just stapled it, and I will now right now sew it with thread and needle. So this is the thing we need to fix it, and right now we will fixing this using thread and needle. So let's start sewing. So guys, it's unbelievably raining outside, and it is raining very heavily. So let's explore how it's raining outside. It's all fogged up, and the rains are very heavy, as you can see. So currently I am a heavyweight champion, as you can see. I am heavy and I have fat on my stomach. So in the future time, my goal is to lose some weight and make an attractive body in my 30s. So guys, we are back on the track for walking on our daily circuit to lose weight. It has stopped raining and the climate has become beautiful. So today we are not carrying umbrella because we have not. Why are you angry, bro? Yes, today we can rarely see our cat because it was raining all day, and I think our cat must be somewhere safe. So what I was telling, that I didn't bring any umbrella and I just came here for walking. So today we will completely 2 laps, and then we will proceed to home. So we need to walk fast, and this holding this GoPro camera seems to be embarrassing because people, it's the attention grabber. What is this person doing with camera in their hand? So right now I got a stick. This is the stability which the iPhone lacks. Even if I am walking, you can see no shaky movements. And look at the greenery, guys. Here there can be snakes inside. I feel a little bad. Oh, our cat is there, guys. We are about to see our cat, and he's far somewhere there. Our favorite cat. Unfortunately, we didn't buy anything for him, but we are going to shoot him as usual, like we do. So just enjoy. Let's come our favorite cat. Welcome back. Our cat is back, bro. Bro is hunting. Come on, let's do some live demo. Let's show the audience. Stop doing this and you should hunt. Go, bro. Let's go for a hunt. Just like to be cuddled like a baby. I can do this all day, but I need to walk. So you carry on your hunt. I will see you in some time. So we have left our precious cat behind and right now we are continue. So it's very windy out here. And I think when I will complete the second lap, it will rain. But till now, just keep walking. I will be more than happy to get wet in the rain, but let's see if it comes or not. But first need to successfully complete lap number 1 and then continue on the lap number 2. So when we get to the lap number 2, we can get wet in the rain, because at that moment we will return to home. But till then, if it rains right now, we have to walk with the wet clothes. That will create more rashes or something. So I can run. I hope you should be loving the background. One thing I need to remove from myself is the fear of public vlogging. So guys, westbound winds are blowing very fast here, and we have completed 25% of our walking circuit, and my hairs are blowing towards the east because the wind is coming from the west, and I don't like my hair going in the opposite direction because it gets messy. So one thing is I need to do is to remove the fear of vlogging in public, because I really fear vlogging in public, and right now I am just being shy because there are people on the other side of the road. We have to get back as soon people disappears from our vicinity so we can comfortably vlog, because I don't like someone watching me vlogging. So today we will going to remove our fear, because once we remove this fear of vlogging in public, there is no one to stop us, because it is just the one thing which is stopping us from making the perfect vlog. Because the other side of fear is success, is what I feel, because so this is how I vlog. I use the word and, I use the word so, and now I am repeating because. What a lovely cat. We've completed first lap, and right now we will turn back from here, and there is the area where the Thursday market sits. So I don't know when the days this market is active. The people come from outside and they put their shops on the street for people to buy whatever they want. एक, दो, तीन. So I can only go 3 dips in one set. Very poor condition of our health. Bro, let's go. We have completed 1.5 lap, and we have to complete the rest 25%. It is not raining, but there are good chances that it will rain any time. So right now we are going to run and see how much can we run in one go. Look at the flock of flamingos. I didn't have iPhone, so I can't zoom in. I hope you can see. Nice one. So we have started to run. Push. I do like. Too much pushed. Guys, we are moving back to home, and for once I think we should get a glimpse of our favorite cat. So it is getting dark out here, and unfortunately we didn't get rainfall. I thought it will rain and I will enjoy the rain. That's why I bought GoPro to film while raining, but unfortunately it didn't rain, and right now we are going back home. So guys, it's the end of the vlog, and see you in the next vlog with the GoPro in hand.